Hey guys, and welcome back. If you've been looking for a direct button to send money straight from Cash App over to Venmo, you've probably noticed it doesn't exist. Because they are competing platforms, they don't integrate directly. But there are two super easy workarounds to move your funds between them, and I'm going to show you them. So the fastest way is by using your Cash App debit card. So first, just open up your Cash App, tap on your card image and copy your own card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Then once you have that, jump over to Venmo, go into your profile and to your wallet settings and select add a debit or card. Add a bank or card. This is what it will look like here. Then guys, choose the card option and type your Cash App card numbers in exactly. Once it's linked, your Venmo account can draw money straight from your Cash App balance whenever you make a payment, making the transfer completely seamless without any waiting periods. If you don't have a cash card yet, you have a best alternative by using a standard shared bank account as a middleman. So to set this up, you just need to connect to the exact same traditional bank account or checking profile to both apps. Inside Cash App, you just hit your profile icon, select linked banks and verify your checking account. Then hop over to Venmo, go into your payment methods and link that exact same bank. To move the money, just cash out your balance from Cash App straight to your bank account. Once the deposit clears, you can immediately open Venmo and pull those funds right into your wallet balance. Easy, these are your two steps. If this helped, enjoy.